Juliet Marine, an American company, is advancing the development of the Ghost stealth vessel for the U.S. Navy. This swath-type vessel is designed with a streamlined structure, comprising a central hull and 2 pontoons for stability. During testing, the Ghost achieved speeds of 55.5 kilometers per hour with aspirations to reach 93 kilometers per hour. It boasts an operational range of 800 kilometers and can function autonomously for 3 days with a crew of 3 to 5 individuals. Finnish company Patria has introduced the NEMO training system, which helps military personnel enhance their shooting and command proficiencies. This simulator mimics a genuine weapon, specifically a 120mm mortar turret, and can be mounted on various vehicles. It supports a wide range of simulated scenarios for land and naval missions, featuring an instructor-operator station for platoon-level training, promoting cost-effective and efficient learning. The diver propulsion craft is a versatile, long-range underwater vehicle. As a fourth-generation product, the DPC can achieve speeds of up to 180 meters per minute underwater with a range sufficient to cover distances of 60 kilometers. It is equipped with a navigation system and autopilot capabilities, capable of reaching depths of 100 meters. On the surface, the DPC can operate as both a speedboat and jet ski, providing multifaceted utility. Raytheon, well known for its Tomahawk missiles, also excels in missile defense technology. Their AMP-2 radar station is engineered to detect ballistic missile threats from distances up to 3,000 kilometers. Employing gallium nitride semiconductors, the radar enhances sensitivity, enabling it to differentiate between actual threats and non-threatening objects, such as missile debris. Turkish defense manufacturer Sekiz Altm technology has launched the MS-23 drone jammer, designed in a portable backpack configuration. Weighing 18 kilograms, this versatile unit can be utilized for both mobile and stationary operations and can be mounted on a tripod. Operating on S and L bands, the jammer's output power ranges from 3 to 100 watts, addressing the growing demands of the global drone landscape. The UK-based company BeaverFit is recognized for its innovative container gyms, which have gained popularity among both civilian users and military personnel. BeaverFit's U.S. division stands out as the primary supplier of fitness equipment to the U.S. military. A notable product in their lineup is the range lockers, which are specifically engineered to enhance medium and long-range shooting capabilities. These lockers are equipped with customizable inserts that feature multiple openings reminiscent of doors and windows. This versatility allows customers to design the layout according to their individual preferences. Complementing the range lockers is the BeaverFit Unstable Shooting Platform, a spring-loaded device that adds complexity to the shooting experience. The company asserts that utilizing this platform can help identify and improve various shooting fundamentals, including stance, grip, trigger control, and breathing, thus enabling users to progressively hone their shooting techniques. Zodiac Milpro, based in Paris, produces inflatable boats suitable for military and civilian applications. Their FC series is favored by special forces globally. The HELIDROP FC-470 can be rapidly deployed from a helicopter, ready for use within 3 minutes. With a weight of 146 kilograms, it can support a load of up to 1,250 kilograms and accommodate a crew of 10. The Evo 7 variant features enhanced high-pressure floors and can be paired with a 55-horsepower outboard motor. Canadian company Mustang Survival, in partnership with NASA, focuses on developing safety gear for aquatic environments. Their Ratis life jacket, specifically designed for special operations, weighs a mere 450 grams, making it the most compact self-inflating vest available for military use. The Ratis jacket allows for unhindered mobility, does not obstruct head movement, and offers a buoyancy of approximately 18 kg, featuring a smart inflator that activates based on depth, duration, and water, or a combination of both variables. The Athena vehicles, developed in Poland, are engineered for the disposal of explosive ordnance, capable of transporting dangerous materials such as unexploded bombs. Their compact design allows for easy transport via rail and air. Some models incorporate an armored structure that complies with STANAG 4569 standards, while the robotic version, Athena 2, is outfitted with a generator and light towers to enhance operational safety. The Vision 60 QYGV tactical robot featured on the semi-autonomous MUTANT platform is a sophisticated robotic quadruped. It can carry payloads up to 10 kilograms and move at speeds of 3 meters per second. This advanced robotic unit is equipped with an array of sensors to assist with navigation and mobility, able to run, crawl, climb, and swim in a variety of environments. The Comm7 container from Finland is extremely adaptable, capable of being transformed into a warehouse, control room, shelter, or other configurations according to customer need. Upon reaching its destination, it can be fully set up by one person in just 10 to 15 minutes without the requirement for external power. The Comm7 provides 35 square meters of usable space and can operate autonomously for up to 4 hours. The French company RTSYS specializes in the development of sonar and unmanned underwater vehicles, addressing a range of operational challenges for military and civilian professionals. One of their key products is the Sonar Dive, a portable sonar designed to function as a navigation system with a 12-inch display. Divers are supported by the Comet MCM systems, which can autonomously navigate at speeds up to 18.5 kilometers per hour and communicate over distances of 5 kilometers, equipped with HD cameras and sonar for underwater operations. The British defense firm Leonardo recently unveiled its cutting-edge electronic warfare system, BriteStorm, at the annual Association of the United States Army meeting held in Washington, D.C. The Royal Air Force has already commenced testing this advanced product. Engineers at Leonardo have successfully integrated multiple functionalities into a lightweight unit. Weighing only 2.5 kilograms, BriteStorm can be mounted on various UAVs and features electronic jamming, decoy signal generation, and the ability to process and return enemy radar pulses utilizing digital radio frequency memory technology. Developed by Liteye Systems in the US, SHIELD is a drone defense system engineered to counteract drone swarms. It can detect and track drones from distances of up to 3.5 kilometers. Utilizing artificial intelligence and machine learning, SHIELD classifies and neutralizes drone threats, operating effectively in both static and mobile environments, including on compact unmanned platforms. The Bolt series of drones was developed to meet the operational needs of the U.S. Marine Corps. These drones are equipped with advanced artificial intelligence and possess a range of functionalities. The standard Bolt version is designed for reconnaissance, while the Bolt M can serve as a kamikaze drone carrying a payload of 1.3 kilograms. These drones can remain airborne for up to 40 minutes with an operational range of 20 kilometers, enabling strikes on targets from any angle. Patria SONAC ACS is an acoustic system designed for sea mine countermeasures and has been employed by Belgium and the Netherlands. This advanced system neutralizes both contemporary and legacy sea mines using sophisticated acoustic activation techniques, replicating nautical sounds across a diverse frequency spectrum. The compact system can be deployed from smaller, unmanned vessels and comes with a library of pre-recorded signals. Designed by Croatian firm DOK-ING, the MV4 is recognized globally as one of the most advanced robotic demining systems available. It effectively handles all types of anti-personnel mines and unexploded ordnance, operated remotely to ensure the safety of personnel. Capable of clearing an area of 1,800 square meters per hour, the MEV4 is robust enough to withstand anti-tank mine explosions and is proficient in off-road environments, boasting a self-recovery mechanism for challenging terrains. Researchers at the U.S. Air Force Research Laboratory have developed a unique missile named MUTANT, capable of altering its trajectory during mid-flight. This innovative weapon features an articulated forebody that can tilt, modifying the path of fragments upon detonation, thus enhancing its effectiveness against moving targets. Rooted in concepts from the 1950s, this technology faced prior limitations but has now emerged as a promising advancement. Elbit Systems, an Israeli defense company, recently showcased TRIDENT, a modular target detection system designed for reconnaissance and fire support across short and medium ranges. The system employs artificial intelligence algorithms to expedite the relay of sensor data to gunners. It offers an extensive field of view and can be operated remotely from distances of up to 100 meters, featuring advanced capabilities for day and night target detection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.